Welcome to SEC Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see CBSE Grade 10 Maths trigonometric topic. Okay, look at the one mark questions, 4 1 mark questions we are going to see. Very interesting questions. One triangle ABC. In that big triangle there are two small triangle ABD and BDC. They have given AB 18 centimeter and AD 9 centimeter. Okay, this is triangle B is 90 degree, triangle ABDC or BDA is 90 degree. Okay, what they are asking, what is cos theta? Theta is here. Okay, what we generally think, cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is BD, hypotenuse is BC. Adjacent not given, hypotenuse not given. Okay, only opposite side is given. But what we want? So immediately what we will think, okay, from this triangle hypotenuse is 18, AD is 9, we will find this one, then adjacent we got it for cos theta, and with this we will find hypotenuse, then adjacent over hypotenuse. This is a general way of students tends to do it, but it is a simple way to solve. Let us see. Okay, this is 90 degree. So this is theta. So what is this? 90 minus theta. Okay, 90 minus theta is opposite. Okay, suppose sine 90 minus theta is opposite over hypotenuse. What? Opposite is 9, hypotenuse is 18, so it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So sine 90 minus theta is nothing but it is a cos theta. It is a general rule. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos theta is 1 by 2. Or in another way, simple to do it, let it be pi. Okay, sine 90 minus theta, some of them, if you don't know cos theta, this is the one. If it is pi, okay, sine pi is what? Sine pi is 9 by 18, so 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Sine pi 1 by 2 means what? 1 by 2 means sine is 30 degree. So pi is 30 degree. So this is 30 degree means this will be 60 degree because it is a triangle B is 90 degree. So cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. Okay. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So cos theta is 1 by 2. Got it? In 3 ways we can do it. The first one is very elaborate way. Second one, third one is good way. Copy down. Question 2. What is the 4 sine power 430 plus cos power 460 minus 3 cos squared 45 minus tan squared 45 is what? Okay, what is sine 30? 1 by 2. Power 4 plus cos 60, what is this? 1 by 2. Power 4 minus 3. Cos squared 45 is what? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2. Tan 45, always tan 45 is simple one, don't forget it. Tan 45 is 1, tan squared 45 is 1. So this is equal to 4 times 1 over 16 plus 1 over 16 minus 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, 4. 1 by 16, 1 by 16 is 2 by 16 minus plus 3 by 2. So 8 by 16 is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2. Understand? Copy down. Okay. We have seen two questions. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, tan 45 1. Okay. Question number 3. Alpha is acute. If alpha is acute, what is sin alpha plus cos alpha? Is greater than 1 or less than 1 or equal to 1 or cannot be determined? Okay. Suppose this is one triangle. Accept this is a triangle. Okay, it is a 90 degree. Okay, this is a alpha. Okay, I will make it very simple one. Okay, what is sin alpha? A over C. What is cos alpha? B over C. So sin alpha plus cos alpha is nothing but A plus B over C. Always A plus B will be greater than C. Then only it is a triangle. If A plus B equal to C, then it is a line only. Okay. A plus B should be greater than C. Then only it is a triangle. Okay. A plus B. Okay. So A is greater than 1. For example, any triangle, this is the rule. 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 over 5. Okay. Or another way, C is, if you make it square, it A squared plus B squared plus 2AB C squared. If you square it, A plus B whole squared. A plus B whole squared is what? A squared plus B squared plus 2AB. I am both sides squaring by C squared. A squared plus B squared is C squared. So C squared plus 2AB by C squared, this is greater than 1. Okay, next. 1 over tan theta plus cot theta. This is a very commonly they will ask. Tan theta you can make it sin theta over cos theta, or cot theta you can make it cos theta over sin theta. Then what will happen? Take LCM here. Sin theta over cos theta. 1 over sin square theta plus cos square theta over sin theta cos theta. So this will be 1 is equal to 1 over sin theta cos theta. So sin theta cos theta is the answer. Okay, we have seen 4 questions. Okay. First question is this one. Triangle, what they are asking, what is cos theta? Second question, 4 sin power 30 plus cos power 460. Third question, alpha is acute, means sin alpha plus cos alpha. Fourth question. Okay, see you.